Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Solarize Out Effect on Premiere Pro. So for that, we just need to open Premiere Pro. After opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which you want to add the effect. And then here you can see the original footage. So for this video clip, I'm just going to add the effect. So for that, we just need to go to Effects. If you don't have any effects over here, then here on the top here is an option. You can see here window. Click on that. And then here's an option, you can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click shift +7 and the effects will open. And then here you can see the search bar over here, click on that and search for Solarize Out. And then here you can see the effects Solarize Out, like that effective video clip. And then you play your video, you can see that you had been added the Solarize Out effective video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.